Hey y'all, it's Crystal. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I will blend my natural hair with my weave using heat. So these are the things that you will need for the video: a heat protectant, a gel, edge control, frizz spray, mousse, and that is all. Alright guys, so now that you guys see the products that I will be using for my hair, I'm just going to go and take my scarf off, take the weave out of the headband, and then I'm just going to take my natural hair out. Alright guys, so now that my natural hair is out, I'm just taking a brush and I'm brushing my natural hair over the tracks. I'm just trying to make sure that I have enough hair on each side to make sure that it covers the tracks once I braid it up. Next, I'm going in with a clip. I just clipped the hair up in the front and I did 2 braids in the back. The only thing I'm using on the hair on the back is a little bit of water and mousse. Alright y'all, so now that my 2 braids are done in the back, I'm going to work my way to the front. The only thing I'm doing is putting heat protectant and serum on my natural hair, straightening my hair on 350, and that is it. I try to put heat on my hair at least once a week or maybe once every 2 weeks depending on the weather. Now that I have all of the products in my hair, I'm just going to use the chasing method with the flat iron. That's just using the comb and then chase it with the flat iron. This eliminates how many times you guys put the heat on your hair with the flat iron. Alright y'all, so now that I'm done with one side, I'm going to repeat the same exact steps on the opposite side. I'm just going to comb it and then chase it with my flat iron. I honestly try to put heat on my hair once a week or maybe once every 2 weeks depending on the weather. Honestly, as you guys can see, my hair is almost as long as my weave, but I only do the braids because the humidity, attacks my hair, so I have to do the little braid out, and then my hair lasts as I do the braid out with the weave. So now that all of the major flat iron is done, you guys see me going in with my comb to make sure that my part is clean, and then I'm just straightening up my edges, making sure that I have that clean, crisp, silk press look. Now you guys see me go in with my wax stick. This is just to make sure that all my flyaways are down, and as I tie my hair down and wake up in the morning, it'll look good. Alright, so after my wax stick, I'm just going to brush it in just a little bit and then I'm going to start braiding. As I braid my hair, I'm going to start as far up as possible to make sure that my natural hair has that wave. When my natural hair has that wave, it lasts longer throughout the day, and then where my hair stops within the braid, that's when I put foam or mousse or whatever product I want on the weave to make sure that it blends with the back of the hair. Y'all, so now that the major part is done, I'm just gonna go in with some Shears Balm and then some Gatsby on top and lay my edges down. Honestly, when I do this at nighttime, it saves me a lot in the morning. All I have to do is take off that bonnet or take off that scarf and walk out the door. You guys will see later on in the morning. Alright y'all, good morning from a different location. All I'm going to do is put some of that serum in my hands to make sure that when I take this weave out, that it's not going to frizz out earlier throughout the day. And then you guys will see me take my scarf down to make sure that I'm not messing up the actual braid at the top. And then that is it. Just go in, take the braids out. You guys see at the top, it is frizzy. I can go in with my wax stick or I could go in with some more oil just to lay that down, and that is it for my look. My edges are still laid from last night. I'm going in with some heat protectant spray to make sure that the humidity and the frizz stay down for the day. Alright, y'all, so that is it for this video. All you guys see me doing right now is just putting some finishing touches to make sure my hair is in the place where I want it to be. You guys will see me go in with the wax stick and just lay some of my flyaways down. Y'all, please like, comment, share, subscribe this video off to your friends. Let them know about Mesha Curlz. Please comment down below in the description box what you guys would love for me to do with my natural hair, with some weave, with a wig. I don't know. List it. You name it. I'ma do it. Y'all, I'll see y'all later. Y'all have an amazing one. Enjoy this time lapse at the end. And I will see y'all later.